Did you know AI is getting so advanced that it could soon power futuristic robot assistants in our homes? What enables such rapid AI growth? How will robotic assistants enhance our lives? The era of helpful humanoid robots may arrive sooner than you think. First, you gotta understand the mind-boggling pace of AI progress these days. Models are literally doubling in brain size every 6 months. It's like we've cracked open an exponential gusher of artificial intelligence. Until recently, having a robot butler was little more than a Jetson's dream. So, NVIDIA just unveiled their master plan for AI factories, entire data centers purpose-built to mass-produce artificial intelligence at an unprecedented scale. These guys aren't messing around. They've created a ridiculous new GPU chip called Blackwell that's essentially one giant processor for routinely training robot-sized AI models. But that's just the start. Their secret weapon is Project Groot, a first-of-its-kind foundation model specifically designed to turn simulated robots into real-world assistants. By watching tons of videos and getting fed multimodal data, Groot can learn to perceive its surroundings, move around, and even understand natural language instructions, just like a human. No way, you're telling me we could have real robot knights doing chores for us? Dude, sign me up. I'd love to have a Groot helping out around the house. Now, just imagine how much this kind of AI robotic assistant could change your daily routine. No more tedious chores like vacuuming, laundry, or washing dishes. Your very own Groot could handle all that for you while you kick back and relax. Or think about having an extra set of hands to help elderly relatives with mobility issues. A capable robot buddy could make independent living so much more accessible. Heck, you might even be able to teach your Groot to assist with your hobbies and passions, whether that's prepping gear for your outdoor adventures or just being an extra set of hands for your culinary experiments. The possibilities are wide open when you have a highly intelligent, multi-talented robot pal that can understand you, learn skills, and interact with the world almost like a human. If you want me to dive deeper into how AI breakthroughs like NVIDIA's could make household robot assistants a reality in the not-so-distant future, let me know by liking and commenting below. I'm happy to indulge your imaginations on the pragmatic personal benefits this tech could bring.